Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to set a daily limit on your Facebook Lite app. If you often find yourself spending too much time scrolling through Facebook, this simple feature can help you manage your time more effectively. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand more options. Tap on Settings to open all available options. After that, locate the Time Management section and click on it. Then, select Daily Limit. Here, you will be presented with multiple options to choose from, including 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, and 2 hours. Pick the limit that best suits your needs. Finally, confirm your selection, and your daily usage limit will be set. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips.